Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing Drano Max Gel. So tough on your hair clogs. I have a sink that is not doing so well. So let's see how well Drano does to clear it out. Here's what it looks like. Guaranteed or it's free. Wonder what that asterisk says. Instructions: pour, wait for 15 to 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. Max Gel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't want to open it until I use it, so that's it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you. Bye.